Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video tonight on how to close these two nodes. Well, there are actually four nodes, but I thought I'd elaborate a little bit using the Shift key. I've got two nodes that are open up here that are 0.1 or 0.03. This is 0.06, and this one's 0.13. So we can use our gap tolerance. But if you hold down the Shift key, it should select all the nodes. Now, another reason for the video, I'm going to make a hotkey, and I use the letter J that brings up my Docker. I've got my gap tolerance set on 0.06. It closed all the nodes except for the one that was 0.13 because the gap was larger than that. So everything inside that tolerance, it closed, and that would be very important if you're making a drawing. So how did I make a hotkey for that? Just go up to Tools, Customization, Commands, and you can search through all these, and you can show all items, because actually it's probably in Windows, and then it's in a Docker. But the easiest way to find that is just to go to the select all items, go to the magnifying glass and press in join, find next. And it would be very helpful to have this window open. I'm going to show you why. Right here, there's two join curves. See this little blue line between these two dots? That's that blue line. This one is probably the one up here. So join that, close that out. Shortcut key, I've already got J assigned. We're going to delete it, but I'm going to press in the letter J, and I'm going to assign it, and I'm going to press OK. Now, instead of going to Windows, Dockers, Join Curves, all you have to do is hit the letter J on your keyboard, and that Docker will come up. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.